In today's BitSize Japanese, we're going to learn the grammar pattern うえは, which is a JLPT N2 grammar point, and we usually use it with 普通形 na adjectives である, noun である plus うえは. And it means that since things have reached such a point, now that X is the case, or it naturally follows that Y should be done. So let's take a look at our first examples vocabulary. The first one is 社長, 社長, company president, 社長. The second one is 決断する, 決断する, to decide, make a decision, 決断する. The next one is 社員, 社員, company employee, 社員, 社員. So one more time, 社長, 社長, 決断する, 決断する, 社員, 社員. Now let's take a look at the actual example. So the example is, 社長が決断した上は、我々社員はやるしかない。With the hiragana, one more time. 社長が決断した上は、我々社員はやるしかない。So it means that now that the president has decided, we employees have no choice but to do it. So just one more time. 社長が, so the president, 決断した, so already decided, 上は, so we have reached that point. So 社長が決断した上は, since the president have already decided, 我々 is just like we, 社員, we as employees はやるしかない。must do it, we have no choice but to do it. しかない is but only. So one more time. 社長が決断した上は我々社員はやるしかない。Okay, so that's our first example. Now let's take a look at our second example's keywords. The first one is 実行する, to carry out, to execute. 実行する. The second one is 準備, 準備, preparation, 準備. The next one is 必要, 必要 is necessary. So one more time. 実行する, 実行する, 準備, 準備, 必要, 必要. Now let's take a look at the example. 実行する上は十分な準備が必要だ。With hiragana, 実行する上は十分な準備が必要だ。Okay, since we are going to carry it out, sufficient preparation is necessary. So 実行する is to carrying it out, executing. 上は since we are going to execute it. 十分な is sufficient or enough. 十分な enough preparation. 十分な準備が必要だ is necessary. So one more time. 実行する上は十分な準備が必要だ. So that's our second example. So now let's take a look at our third example's keywords. The first one is 親元, 親元, one's parents, 親元. 離れる, 離れる is to leave, to move away, 離れる. The last word is 覚悟, 覚悟 is resolve or readiness. So mental readiness or mental resolve. 覚悟. So those are the three words. And then now let's take a look at that example. 親元を離れる上は十分な覚悟をするべきだ。Hiragana is 親元を離れる上は十分な覚悟をするべきだ。So it means that now that you're leaving your parents' home, you should be fully prepared for it. So 親元 is parents' home. を離れる is leaving parents' home. 親元を離れる上は since you reached that place, 十分な覚悟 so enough mental preparation or readiness 十分な覚悟をするべきだ must べきだ is should or must. One more time. 親元を離れる上は十分な覚悟をするべきだ. That is the end of today's BitSize Japanese. See you in the next one.
That's it for today. Always learn more with less. Hit subscribe and don't miss out on daily videos.